Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to move a block on your WordPress website in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process while explaining each part clearly so you can follow along easily. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your preferred web browser and type in WordPress to access the site. You will see the home page where all the main features and functionalities of WordPress are readily displayed. This is where your website comes to life, and every change you make has an immediate effect on your design and content management. Once you have reached the WordPress site, take a moment to locate the login option. Look towards the top right corner of the page. This area typically contains links not only for logging in but also for signing up if you are a new user. Clicking on the login option will take you to the authentication page where you can enter your credentials. This initial step is essential for accessing your website's editing tools securely. After clicking on the login button, you will be prompted to log in using your Google account. Select the option that says Continue with Google. You will then be provided with a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the account you normally use for managing your WordPress site. Using the Google login expedites the sign-in process, ensuring that you can quickly access your site without the extra steps of setting up yet another password. With your login complete, the next step is accessing the Quick Links section of your dashboard. Locate the area labeled Quick Links, which serves as a shortcut to various common actions on your site. Within this section, find the option that says Edit Site and click on it. This action will bring you into the site editor where you can make any changes you desire to the layout or content blocks of your website. Now that you are in the site editor, focus on the block you wish to move. Your website is made up of several individual blocks, each representing a different type of content or element. Carefully click on the specific block you intend to reposition. Once you select the block, you will notice a toolbar or navigation bar appearing at the top of the block. This navigation bar is your primary tool for managing the block's properties, including its location on the page. After the navigation bar appears, it contains a set of icons to assist you with block operations. Look for the icon that comprises 6 dots arranged neatly in a grid. These 6 dots indicate that the block is ready to be moved. Click on these dots and keep your pointer held down as you drag the block to its new position on the page. Take your time to align the block exactly where you want it. This repositioning allows you to customize your website's layout and improve the visual flow of information. Once you have placed the block in the desired location, release your pointer to drop the block into place. By following these clear instructions, you have successfully moved a block within your WordPress website. Every step is designed to be straightforward, ensuring that you can make edits confidently and efficiently. Enjoy exploring further customizations with WordPress, knowing that you can always adjust and improve your site with just a few simple clicks. Happy editing!